Tetris, the classic game that never gets old. You can find the design in the link below, in the description. Materials needed. First, an embroidery machine with a suitable hoop size and felt fabric for embroidery. Also embroidery thread in various colors. Stabilizer, tearaway. Scissors. And masking or paper tape. Load the embroidery design onto your embroidery machine using a USB drive or the machine's internal memory. Hoop a piece of stabilizer firmly. Make sure it is nice and tight with no wrinkles. Set the machine's embroidery settings, including stitch speed and density based on your fabric and design requirements. Attach the hoop to the machine and load the file. Begin to embroider the design. The first thing to sew out will be the outline. This marks the area on the felt to help with the placement of the hoop. Choose the embroidery thread colors and also bobbin threads that match your Tetris detail. To keep the fabric in place while embroidering, tape down it with masking paper tape. This is optional. Supposed to look like this. Triple stitch is for sewing details together, and single stitch is for cutting the Tetris piece. Continue with all color details. Don't forget to change threads, especially bobbin. If needed, tape the fabric and cut near the outlines of details. When embroidery is finished, remove the hoop from the machine and unhoop the felt. Trim any excess thread and stabilizer from the back of the embroidery to give it a clean finish. Trim away the detail. Single stitch is the detail cut line. Cut all the details and congratulations. You have your own handmade Tetris. Good job. Well done. Also, you can make Tetris just from one color. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos.